Hi everyone. We're going to identify the pair of congruent angles in the figure and explain how they're congruent. So this slide is for number 1. So basically we're going to use the linear pair postulate and the vertical angle theorem, the vertical angle congruence theorem, and that's going to help us deduce that angle 5, angle 6, and angle 7 are right angles. So that's 5. So all of these are right angles by the vertical angle theorem and the linear pair. So all those are right angles. So that means they're all congruent by the right angles congruence theorem. So all 4 of these are congruent. Therefore, the measure, or just angle 1, is congruent to angle 3, and angle 4 is congruent to angle 2 by the congruence complement theorem. And that's by the angles 1 is congruent to angle 3, and angle 4 is congruent to angle 2 by the congruence complement theory, because they're complementary. All right, so the next one is number 2. We know that angle 1 and 7 are supplementary. Angle 8 and 1 are supplementary. And number 5 and number 1 are supplementary. So we know that angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, so these two right here, this is 3, angle 5 and angle 6, angle 7 and angle 9, these two, and angle 8 and angle 10, same reason. These are supplementary by the linear, these are all supplementary by the linear pair postulate. So we can deduce that angle 4 is a right angle because angle 3 is a right angle. And that means they're both congruent by the right angles congruence theorem. And by the congruent supplements theorem, so this was the congruence, right angle congruence theorem. My theorem is THM. And so there's that piece. And then we have, by the congruent supplements theorem, that angle 1, angle 6, angle 9, and angle 10 are congruent. And also angle 2, angle 5, angle 7, and angle 8 are also congruent. And that's by the congruent supplements theorem. So instead of the right angle, we're using the congruent supplements theorem. And that's how we know. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.